This is Colonel Anurag Saxena, and it's very nice to be in the beautiful state of Goa today. I am the Director Recruiting for Maharashtra and Goa based at Kolhapur. That is the Army Recruiting Office, Kolhapur. And I would like to brief you about the opportunities for the youth of Goa to join the Indian Army, which are now coming up from the 17th of November to the 27th of November in a recruitment rally, which is being conducted quite close to the Goa state, that is at Ratnagiri. So suffices to say that the Indian Army is one of the best opportunities to serve the country with honor, with dignity, and also, as we all are aware, with a very good scale of pay. So it's a good means of employment. I would like to use this briefing to tell you about the opportunities which are there for the youth of our country, especially from Goa. We are looking for entry at the soldier level into the Indian Army. We have various trades which are, I'll be able to list it out. And this basically, as you look at the view for it, this is about a career in the Indian Army. We are open to recruitment from any male citizen of the country. The site the procedure has been made online. So we have a site called joinindianarmy.nic.in, which is the place where candidates can themselves, sitting at Goa, sitting at their home station, they can register, they can find out their eligibility, they can fill up the details, and they will be given the admit card or the hall ticket, as we say, for the recruitment rally. I will say that in my capacity as a director recruiting, I will ensure that the candidates of Goa are given a specific day from 17 to 27, based on the footfall, based on the number of people who are coming. We'll give them a specific day, so that they know that they can come in batches. They'll be accommodated very well. I am in touch with the district collector Ratnagiri, and he has said that all support will be provided for candidates who are coming there. So this is also an opportunity to tell the parents that yes, do send your children out to come and try for this rally.
17 ते 27 नोव्हेंबराक रत्नागिरीक इंडियन आर्मीन रिक्रुटमेंट रॅली दवरल्या आनी ही रॅली महाराष्ट्रांतल्यो 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आनी गोंयच्यो 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट धरून इतल्या खातीर मर्यादीत आसतली. जशें की सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की गोंयांत सदांच आर्मी किंवा डिफेन्स फोर्सिसान रिस्पॉन्स कमी आसतालो, पूण म्हाका सांगून खूब खोस दिसता की फाटल्या म्हयन्यान आमी जेन्ना एअरफोर्स रॅली केल्ली, रिक्रुटमेंट रॅली, ती गोंयांत जाल्ली. त्या रॅलीक आमचो एक्सपेक्टेशन आशिल्लें एक 400 किंवा 500, पूण खरें सांगूंक बरें दिसता की ओवर 1000 जवळ 1200 कॅन्डिडेट त्या रॅलीक आयले आनी तांचे जी फिजिकल फिटनेस आसा तातूंत सुद्दां अर्द्या वयर लोक तातूंत जवळ 75% लोक फिजिकल फिटनेस टेस्ट पास जाले. हेंच दाखोवन दिता की गोंयचे लोक, आमचे जे तरणाटे आसा, हे आर्मीन किंवा डिफेन्स फोर्सिसान वचपाक फीट आसात आनी ही एक तांकां बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिल्ली आसा.